Hello children, we have started lesson 7 fraction. Yes, in fraction we are going to do the last exercise now. In lesson 7 fraction we are going to complete the last exercise now. Self practice 7E, that is in page number 88. Okay, we are going to do the first question. Kindly take page number 88, that is self practice 7E, and see the question. Babita has 1 by 3 meter of blue ribbon. Yes, Babita has 1 by 3 meter blue ribbon and 1 by 2 meter of red ribbon. Red ribbon is 1 by 2 meter. How much blue and red ribbon does she have? How much blue and red ribbon does she have? That is the question. Yes, blue and red. Yes, so that is the total. How much blue and red? So this question finished with the, that is you have to do the plus. Okay, plus, that is the addition. The question says that find the addition of these two numbers. Yes, just read the question, you will get the idea. That is, how much blue and red ribbon does she have? So find the total ribbon with Babita. Yes, total ribbon is blue ribbon 1 by 3 and red ribbon 1 by 2. Yes, now here is 3 and here is 2. So we can add any number when the denominator same. Yes, but here denominator is different number. Yes, so what we have to do, first change the denominator into same number. Yes, got it? How we can change it? That is the finding the LCM of 3 and 2. Yes, LCM of 3 and LCM of 2. Yes, find these two numbers. For 3, you know 3 table, 3, 6, 9. Yes, the 2 table, write the 2 table, 2, 4, 6, 8, it goes. See, 6, 6. So which number coming first multiple? 6. Yes, so LCM how much? LCM is 6. Got it? So we have to make, instead of 3 you have to convert here 6, instead of 2 here also 6 must come. Yes, so how we can change it? With 3 multiply 2, 6. Yes, and 2 multiply 3, 6. Yes, instead of that I told you one short method. Yes, that is do cross multiply. Yes, do cross multiplication. 1 multiply 2, 2. Yes, and 3 multiply 1, 3, by 3 multiply 2, 6. Got it? Just you are doing the cross multiplication. 1 multiply 2, 2. 3 multiply 1, 3. By 3 multiply 2, 6. Got it? So like this one. Now see that 2 plus 3, 5 by 6. So total ribbon is 5 by 6 meter. So here is given meter, no? So answer is 5 by 6 meter is the answer. Next, let us see the second question. That is, see the second question. Rahman baked a pizza and cut it into 6 pieces. There were 6 sixths. He and his friends ate 3/6 of the pizza. How many sixths were left? In the question you can see, in the second question, it is finished with how many sixths were left. In the question they are asking left. If the question come in the number left means, you know how much left means, that is the subtraction. Yes, wherever in the question left is meaning, that question is the subtraction question. Left means subtraction. See the how many six were left, that means subtraction. So subtraction means From the always you will subtract from the greater number minus smaller number. Same method follow here. So total how many pieces they have? They have 6 and they get 3 6. Yes. So from greater number subtract the smaller number. Pieces. Okay. Second question. Cake pieces. So total how many cake pieces there? So they are baking one cake and cutting it into how many parts? 6. Yes, that is the 6 6. Yes. See the question. 6. You know sixth meaning you know it no 6 that is 1 by 6. That you can say 6 means that is 6. Sixth means you know it no 1 by 6. Got it? Yeah, they gave here with the word. Here instead of 6 you are writing 1 by 6. Got it? No 6. Sixth means 1 by 6. Got it? Next see the question. And he and his friends ate. They eat you know 8 pieces. How many pieces they are eating? 3 6. 3 6. So this also write this also into number. Yes. So 3 sixth means 1 by 6. Yes, sixth means 1 by 6. Now how many 6 were left after eating the 3 6? How many pieces now remaining? They asking how many pieces left means subtraction. Yes, second question subtraction. So left pieces. Got it? Left pieces. So what is the greater number here? 6 1 by 6. This is the total piece. Yes. And they are eating how many pieces they are eating? They are eating 3 1 by 6. Yes. From this number subtract this number. So we know how to subtract. Yes. When we subtract, I told you from whole number also we can subtract. Yes. A whole number separately and the fraction separately you can separate. Now see that you can subtract like this also. Convert this mixed number into improper. Convert this mixed number into improper fraction. How we will convert? 6 multiply 6, 6, 36. 36 plus 1, 37. By what is the denominator? 6. Yes, minus 3 multiply 6, 3, 6, 18. 18 plus 1, 19 by denominator 6. Yes, same denominator 6, 6. Same denominator, that is the like denominator. Yes, no? Same denominator means we can subtract the numerator. So 37 minus 19 by 6. Yes, same denominator, write 6. So subtract from 37, subtract 19, 17 minus 9, 8. Yes, 8 and this 1. So that is can get 18 by 6. Yes, no, 18 by 6. Got it? Now see this here 1 times 6. Yes, how many 6 here? 3, 6, 18. Yes, no? That is 3 by 1. This is equal to 3. So answer is 3. Here there is only 3 pieces only left. Got it? 3 pieces only left. So first the number given 6636 you are writing instead of this word number. Afterwards, from greater number, subtract the smaller number. So, converting the mixed number into improper. Convert a mixed number into improper and subtract only the numerator. After subtracting, I am getting 18. 18 by 6. Yes, no? If you divide this 18 divided by 6. Yes, no? Divide by 6 over 3 times. So, quotient number 3. 3 is the answer. Okay, got it? 3 is the answer. Let us go to third question. Neha bought one cabbage weighing 7 by 9 of a kilogram and one cauliflower weighing 3 by 4 of a kilogram. How many kilograms did the two weigh together? How many kilograms did the two weigh together? They are asking total together. The meaning of together also plus. Yes, together means plus. Okay, this question we have to do the plus. Okay, third question. Neha bought one cabbage weighing. So cabbage. Weight of cabbage. What's the weight of cabbage? 7 by 9. Yes, 7 by 9 kilogram. And one cauliflower weighing. Cauliflower weight how much? Weight of cauliflower 3 by 4. 3 by 4 kilogram. 3 by 4 kilogram. So they are asking how many kilogram did the two weigh together. So together means plus. Find the total. That is 7 by 9 plus 3 by 4. Got it? So denominator, different denominator. So find the LCM. LCM of 9 and 4. What is the LCM of 9 and 4? LCM how much? 36. 36 is the LCM. Yes. So I told you, instead of finding LCM and multiplying here and numerator different with numbers, okay, little complicated. That's why I told you do the cross multiplying. Yes. So do cross multiplying. 7 4 28 plus 9 3 27 by 9 4 36. You know, see the LCM is 36 and here also 36 coming. Got it now? Now plus this two number 28 plus 27. So 40, 48, 50. You are getting 55. Yes, by 36. Do plus, you are getting 55 now. So this is what kind of fraction? In the answer, if the answer is a improper fraction, convert the improper fraction into mixed number. Yes, we already studied. If the answer improper means convert the improper into mixed number. So divide this 55 by 36. You can divide one time. That is 1 time 36. Remainder is, so subtract 9. Yes, no? So answer is quotient, remainder and divisor. Yes, this is the quotient, remainder and divisor. So total is 119 by 36 is the answer. Yes, I hope you understood this one. Next, let us see the fourth question. A family eats 1 by 3 breads at a meal. Will 4 breads be enough for 3 meals? Will 4 breads be enough for 3 meals? A family, for one meal, they are eating 1 and 1 by 3. a family for one meal they're taking 1 and 1 by 3 breads. Okay, all together everybody one meal. So in the question they are asking, there is totally 4 breads there, 4 breads. Is the 4 breads sufficient for the family for morning, afternoon, night, 3 times? Okay, will 4 breads be enough for 3 meals? Yes. For 3 meals, yes. So one meal, how much? For one meal you are taking 1 and 1 by 3, yes. For 2 meal, 1 and 1 by 3. Morning is this, and lunch, got it. And for night dinner, same, yes, no, 1 and 1 by 3. For one time this, for 3 times they are taking morning, afternoon, lunch, yes, got it. 3 times they are taking. Now see that we have to do the plus, yes. Total, find it, find the total of this number. We first convert this mixed number into improper. Okay, 3 multiply 1, 3, 3 plus 1, 4, 4 by 3, plus this also 1 multiply 3, 3, 3 plus 1, 4 by 3, this also 4 by 3. Now same denominator, add the numerator, this 3 number plus it. So 4, 8, 12, yes. 4 plus 4 plus 4 by 3. So I am getting 12 by 3, yes. 12 by 3. This divide this. You can divide this 12 by 3. Yes, no? 12 by 3. So 3, 4, 12. Yes. So what's the answer? 4. 1 times 3 and here is 4 times. So answer is 4. So see that they have totally 4 breads. So 4 breads is sufficient for the family. Got it? They have totally 4 breads. The 4 bread is sufficient for the family. So answer is yes. Yes, it is sufficient. Okay, got it? Answer is yes. The 4 breads is enough. Next, let us see question number 5. Question number 5. Mother bought 2 chickens. One weighed 1 and 1 by 3 by 4 kilogram and the other 1 and 1 by 2 kilogram. How much did one weigh more than the other? Here, see the question. Mother is buying chicken, 2 chickens. Yes. So they are comparing here. How much did one weigh more than the other? More than. When there is comparison, okay, more than, they are comparing 2 things here. When there is comparison also, subtraction, yes, subtraction. How much did one weigh more than the other? So one chicken weight. First chicken weight is 3 by 4 kilogram, yes. And second chicken weight, another chicken, second chicken weight. Second chicken weight is, that is 1 and 1 by 2 kilogram. Got it? So first chicken this much weight, second chicken this much weight, and they are asking how much did one weigh more than the other. See, when you look at this, you can see which is the bigger fraction. This 1, 3 by 4. This 1, 1 by 2. This is 3, 4. It is a half. Yes. So this is the bigger fraction. This is the bigger fraction. So this is the subtraction. Yes. So how much difference in weight? So 3 by 4 kilogram minus 1 by 2 kilogram. Got it? Now usually what we will do, mixed number, convert the mixed number into improper. 1 multiply 4, 4 plus 3, 7 by 4, minus 1 multiply 2, 2 plus 1, 3 by 2. Got it? Now find the LCM of 4 and 2. LCM of 4 and 2 you can do, okay? LCM of 4 and 2. That is LCM of 4 and 2 is 4 only. LCM is 4 only. Yes. So I told you, instead of you can take LCM also and do, and or else you can do cross multiply. Okay, do cross multiply. Cross multiply. 7 to 14 minus 4 3 12 by 4 to 8 equal to 14 minus 12 how much? 2 by 8. So 2 8. This can be divided by 2. Yes. 2 divided by 2. 1 time. How many 2 here? 1 time 2. In 8 how many 2? 4. So the answer is 1 by 4. The answer is 1 by 4 kilogram. The difference is quarter kilogram. Difference is quarter kilogram only. This is 1.5. This is 1 3 by 4. So the difference is 1 by 4 kilogram only. Yes. So this is bigger by 1 by 4 only. Okay. Not very different. Little only. You are telling 1 by 4 kilogram. Okay. Same. That is 250 gram. Same. Okay. Answer is. So this is the answer. I hope student you can understand this 5 question. Let us see the remaining 5 questions from 6 to 10 in the next session. Thank you.